we're going to take a bit of a tour across the region. We've got snow-covered roads starting to materialize across the region. This is at Cambridge. Route 50 looking pretty good out there, but definitely would watch for that threat for side roads, especially. We'll take a look as well at Route 50 in Vienna. Now, it definitely looks like there is some snow cover on these roads, so tricky driving conditions, I think, will continue at the very least for the next few hours. We'll also take a look at Ocean Pines, Ocean House Casino Skycam. I mean, look at that. It is snowing at a very good clip. Shows really well on that light over there, and heavily reduced visibility as well. And a very slushy look here downtown Salisbury as well. Very evident that the snow is coming down there as well. Again, the snow is really accumulating on those roadways, so definitely watch for tricky driving conditions through the overnight tonight, or at the very least the first half. And temperatures have certainly cooled down from earlier today, so it's definitely cold enough to be supportive of this heavy, wet snow. Here's radar, and of course we have widespread snow across the region. These darker blues indicate very heavy bands of snow. I mean, it is just ripping across the entire area, east and down to Salisbury. The entirety is seeing all these dark blues right here in Salisbury towards Cambridge and Ocean City through the lower shore, snowing at a very good clip. But we're watching this rain snow line starting to creep up towards Accomack County. We can use a product called correlation coefficient, which basically says what doesn't correlate with the majority of the largest surrounding area. In this case, changing hydrometers from snow to sleet, and it looks like the rain snow line is starting to make its way towards the northern half of Accomack County. So this is definitely something that we're going to be watching. But by and large, we will start to see this starting to wind down. I'd say after midnight or so, to see a change of rain for southern areas, and then precipitation winds down after midnight. So you'll see that on Fugicats at around 7 p.m. that rain snow line started to make its way north, and it does look like, at the very least for the lower shore, potential for the rain snow line to make it a little bit north of there right around 11 p.m. or so. So that's why we have lower snow totals overall for areas of the lower shore point south, and maybe even coastal Sussex County. We'll have to keep an eye on that. But still all snow at around 11 p.m. A wet gloppy snow for more northern areas. And by the time we get to 5 a.m. by tomorrow, the precipitation is essentially done, and we're rising above freezing. It's just going to be a cloudy day with a few lingering rain and snow showers with the better potential for some regular plain old rain with temperatures in the 40s by the time we get to the evening hours at around 6 p.m. So here's our snowfall forecast. Right now, a lot of the mid-shore and the southern portion of the upper shore, around 4 to 8 inches. However, I may lean a little bit more towards that 4 to 7 range, but there could be an isolated location with 8 inches. We got 2 to 4 inches. Salisbury's right on the cusp. It's tricky because we got getting the timing with the rain snow line, but also heavy precipitation rates. So maybe around 5 inches for Salisbury, 2 to 4 inches for Princess Anne, Snow Hill, and around Ocean City, and Tacony to generally around 2 inches for areas like Chincoteague and Bloxham, just because we're getting that rain snow line to creep northward towards those areas. Tonight, 30 to 35 degrees with snow mixing with rain and sleet later in the overnight tonight. Tomorrow, lingering rain and snow showers. The snow showers particularly during the morning hours, but temperatures will be warming up throughout the day. So that's what we're looking at for Wednesday. Some regular rain showers mainly for the first half of Thursday. Temperatures rising to the 50s, so we're getting that snow to melt fairly quickly across the region. Dry on Friday. Looking at some rain and breezy conditions for this upcoming weekend with temperatures in the 50s and to 60 degrees as well, Hannah.